Buddy, this is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol GBSN. This first chart here is a daily chart, and each candle represents 1 day of trading. As you can see here, there was a black candle formed today, this spinning top. The close was below the open, and so because there was a gap up open today, the previous close yesterday was at 1385, and the open today was at 1472. So that was up here, and then the close was below the open, so that formed this solid green candle on this chart here, which we call a black candle. And this is a spinning top, and it signals indecision. So you have like the long upper wick and the long lower wick. And so even though the share price was as high as 17 and as low as 12.5, the share price closed close to where it opened. So yeah, so there was a real battle between the bulls and the bears, and GBSN was able to close above key EMA 8 at 13.9 support. So that's 2 days in a row that EMA 8 support held. So that's very strong. This new uptrend started on the 24th, and on the pullback, that was the key level to hold. If EMA 8 breaks, that's going to put the middle Bollinger Band down here at 0.092 on deck. As long as the middle Bollinger Band support level holds, the uptrend that started on the 24th should continue. If EMA 8 holds, the key level to break is this EMA 4 at 15.2, the pink line. As you can see, the candle, the real candle body on today's candle formed right in between EMAs 4 and 8. So what you want to look for tomorrow, bulls, is a close above the pink line, EMA 4, and that'll signal more upside, and that would put the upper Bollinger Band at 19.1 on deck. And that is the key resistance level to break after EMA 4. Fasto and RSI corrected after the 2-day pullback. So now RSI is in the 50 to 70 bull zone at 55.33, and Fasto's down here at 40.88. So both those indicators have room to run and are not at overbought levels. The positive is the volume. So there's been a big volume on this move. This is if you check out the average volume before, and then bam, huge volume behind this. So the key is, as long as the volume is here, then GBSN will remain in play. So yeah, and then let's look at another chart. This is a 15-minute chart. So on this chart, each candle represents 15 minutes of trading, and this is just a 2-day chart. And this is pretty interesting. The 200-day moving average is this red line here. As you can see, it held yesterday, and then that was support level was tested again today towards the end of the day, and it temporarily broke, but tested and held. And then the last 3 candles here formed in between the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average at 14.2. So this is a flex point right here. Either resistance, 50-day moving average resistance is going to break, and that will signal more upside potential, and that would put the 100-day moving average at 17.5 on deck. Or if the 200-day moving average breaks and turns into resistance, that will equal more downside risk. And then if that happens, that would put this then the share price would probably be heading down to this middle Bollinger Band level. And so if you're watching the 15-minute chart, you see a break below the 200-day moving average, that's going to be a signal that middle Bollinger Band is likely to be tested. And then if you see a break above the 50-day moving average, that's going to put this 17.5 back on deck. And then you break 17.5. If you look back here at this daily chart, and you can see here that was the top of this of today's trading, was at 17, and then you would have the upper Bollinger Band at 19 up next. So yeah, sorry for flipping back and forth between the charts there, but yeah, let's look at the next chart here. If you look at this, this is another 15-minute chart, and each candle represents 15 minutes of trading. And as you can see here, the candles were forming above the middle Bollinger Band, which is this dotted purple line early in the day. This is the gap up open. The gap up open was right here at 14.7, I believe, and then the share price ran to 17 high of day on the first candle of the day, and then the share price faded throughout the rest of the day, and the middle Bollinger Band support level broke midday, and then the candles were forming below that level into the close, but above EMA's 4 and 8 on the close. So this is a flex point on the Bollinger Band 15-minute chart. Either the middle Bollinger Band is going to break and a new uptrend possibly could begin, or if the EMA's 4 and 8 turn into resistance, that will signal more downside risk. Okay, and then on the 15-minute chart, Fasto and RSI both have room to run. You know, they both have reset as well. The volume was big early in the day, but as you can see, there has been a very solid volume on Tuesday, with you know, a decline in volume on the 3rd, showing that the sellers have tired. That's another bullish thing that you look for when playing a bounce. And then if you look here at MACD is set up. The MACD line and the signal line are pinched, and so bulls. If you see a bullish crossover here, at the same time the middle Bollinger Band would likely be broken, and that would signal possibly a new uptrend. Okay, thanks for viewing this chart. Please check out our videos on mychartcoach.com YouTube channel, and check out our website at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.